Alright fellas, I'm out in the garage here this morning, and as always when I come out here I get on my computer and go check out some of the cool looking channels that are out there. And boy, I tell you, I always like to go over here and check out the bearded guy, Jeff Lawless. Oh, Jeff Lawless, man, he's only about less than 15 miles as the crow flies from me, and I always like to see what he's got going on, and he's always cooking up some good food over there. I really like his channel. I want to show you something I've been working on. I haven't been posting anything about this, but I thought I'd show you guys. This is just something I've been playing around with. It's nothing special. This is the old kit that it is, the old 55 Chevy Cameo pickup. That's what I'm working on. I built it a long time ago and just didn't care for the way it turned out, so I set it to the side and didn't even put it on the shelf. But I decided, since I bought this kit here a while back, this is that all steel kit. It came with extra wheels and tires and an extra engine. While I'm showing this, I told you guys from one of my other videos I was going to get some of those red balls and put up on top of the injector stacks, and I think it turned out pretty cool. That's just a string of beads that I found over at Hobby Lobby and cut them off and set them on top there. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got going on here. I'm still working on it, not a whole lot. I got it painted. I still need to clear it. That's the tester's paint. I mixed that 50-50 with the good old unicorn tears right there, Mr. Color Leveling Thinner. But I've been working on this. You can see the wheels and tires, they're oversized. I just thought it'd be a goofy looking little truck, and the engine's oversized. Now I did make a distributor and wire the engine, but that's about all I'm gonna do. I've been working on kind of cleaning up the interior a little bit, repainting that dash from the old color that it used to be, and I've got all the chrome, got it all cleaned up and sanded down. I need to shoot it. I always like shooting that chrome out of the Molotov pen through my airbrush. That works always pretty good, because that's how I did the wheels on my 55 I'm working on too. They came out pretty cool. So anyway, I'm gonna shoot those. I gotta get a decent day to do it. The weather's been so bad lately that just can't get any painting done. And I tell you, I think I'm gonna put this bumper on the back of there, the round bar. That looks pretty cool. Just want to be different. This is just gonna be a goofy little truck, so just something I've been working on. There's that poor old Mustang sitting in the back. I've kind of been playing around. I was gonna do this as a Pro Street. Now I'm kind of looking at maybe a gasser. I've got those slicks out, got that straight axle in front, so I don't know. We'll see. Still working on that one, but I wanted to show you all this. I need to get me a good day to get some clear on that. Got the glass all cleaned up, got all the old glue off of it. I got that off. I need to really get some polish on these a little bit, and then repaint that trim around the glass. But I don't think I'm going to do much chrome on this. I'm just going to leave everything as is. The bumpers will be chrome, and all the headlights and taillights, so that should be enough. And I'm not even putting tubs in this. I'm going to let those rear tires show. So I may put some chrome bars on the back in between those wooden slats, but I'm going to leave the bed red. Anyway, guys, I just thought I'd kind of show you what I've been working on the side. And I mean, it really hasn't taken that long. The worst thing, or what's taking so long, is trying to get some paint on this in the clear. It's just the weather's holding me up, because there really is not a whole lot done. Now, there's no chassis underneath this. So I've got for the engine, I've got a couple pieces of the flat stock I used up front to go in between the wheel wells, and that's what it's kind of like a 3/4 engine. It's flat on the bottom, and I've got it glued to that. And in the back, I've got some riser blocks made, and I've got some latches glued in on that, and they'll secure to the bottom of that centerpiece right there. So, well, like I said, no chassis, just something goofy looking and something to put on the shelf. And I'm kind of experimenting with this one with the tester's paint, because I want to shoot my 55. Like I told you guys before, I've got this tester's sunburst paint, and so this was kind of a test to see how it would work. I shot this at about 35 psi, mixed it 50-50 with the testers and the Mr. Cole leveling thinner, and I need to cut back a little bit on the paint on how much is coming out on my airbrush, because it's just a hair too much. But I think once I get some clear on it, it'll look all right, and I'm hoping the 55 turns out just a little bit better. All right, fellas, I think that's about all. Just wanted to show you what I got going on here. All right, I'm done.